Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to let the cat out of the bag and share with you 5 beauty essentials that you must buy without a doubt if you need dewy, fresh and glowing skin. Glowing skin is always in. Apart from the indispensable beauty products that you need for your CTM routine, I'm going to talk about major skincare ingredients that you must include in your skincare routine if you want to up your game. If you are a skincare junkie, then you must subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. The first and the most basic one is face scrub. Facial scrubs not only remove dead skin cells from the surface, but they also promote efficient blood circulation and lymphatic drainage, leaving behind soft, supple and glowing skin. There are numerous reasons to exfoliate your skin, one of them being it allows better absorption of your skincare products, helping you to attain your skincare goals. Buy your facial scrub and exfoliate your skin once in a week if you've got dry, normal or sensitive skin, and twice in a week for oily skin type. And if you're someone who likes to do a DIY facial scrub, please click on the link above or the one in the description box below. Now moving to the second one on the list, which is sunscreen. Sun protection is mandatory no matter what. Make it a part of your morning skincare routine. SPF protection factor should range between 30 to 50 SPF, protecting you from both UVA and UVB rays. Third essential beauty must have is vitamin C. So for vitamin C, I would recommend you to add vitamin C serum into your beauty regimen because that will do all the magic for you. It is rich in antioxidants and has been a proven ingredient to increase the luminosity or radiance of your skin. Apart from other benefits, it also promotes collagen production, keeping your skin tight and young, and also brightens the skin tone. If you want to know more about the concentration that you should be buying and more about its benefits, do check out my Instagram post about the vitamin C benefits. I'll also link it down below in the description box for you. And now moving on to the fourth one, which is a night cream. Get into night creams. I emphasize on this one because night is the time when your skin switches to repair mode. Indulging in high quality ingredients help your skin to replenish and repair the damaged cells because of the sun exposure, pollutants and chemicals, etc. I would like to just add on a little tip. Buy ingredients that specifically target your skin issue. Indulge in niacinamide if you want to tighten your pores and brighten the skin tone. Indulge in hydrating ingredients if your skin is dull and dry, and so on. Moving on to the fifth one, face masks. Up your face mask game, I would say, because these are the problem targeting products and allow you to address multiple skin issues and can be customized as per your skin needs. No matter what the skin problem is, you got a face mask for that. Be it for hydration or brightening, there's always a face mask for your needs. Face masks are not only relaxing, but they also help in deep cleansing your skin. If you want to replenish and give your skin a fresh look, indulge in face masks with ingredients such as AHAs. And if your skin has got age spots, freckles, and you see a lot of photo damage on your skin, go for antioxidant-rich face mask. You can also make face masks at your home. And if you're interested in DIY face masks for all skin types, check out my video link in the description box below. So that was all about today's video. I hope you find it useful. Before we say goodbye, I would like to share the bonus tip. So for the days when you want an instant glow on your skin, try out using the tomato because it has got lycopene which instantly brightens up the complexion. So cut a tomato into half and start rubbing it over your face in a circular motion, and then leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes to dry off. Rinse it off with a lukewarm water and voila, you will see a definite glow. Don't forget to click on that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Leave your lovely comments and any questions that you have. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you later next week with a new video. Bye.